This is our 4th week of our weekly Friday abdominal workout. Welcome back to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This video will be focusing on our muffin top or lower abdominal area, a stubborn area that's really hard to flatten and burn those stubborn fats that has been built up through the years. So get your mat ready and join me for this lovely fat burning lower abdominal workout. Okay everyone, we'll start lying on your back. We're gonna warm up our spine. So we'll start with tabletop. Take a deep breath. Right leg first, up, and then left leg, and blow. Let's warm it up first before we do something aggressive so you won't hurt your spine. Right leg, inhale, belly button in, and then left, and then right down, and then left, and blow. Right and left. Overhead with your hands and lower your leg on your left. Right leg and then left. Belly button in to engage your abdominal muscles and blow. Inhale through your nose and left. Overhead and blow. Take a deep breath through your nose. Belly button in, engage your core muscles and blow. Now we'll do lower all the way down, and that's a nice warm up. And tabletop again with your knees bent and down. Left side, take a deep breath and blow. We'll do this a couple of times so you won't hurt and you feel a lot of loosening up all the hip muscles, your shoulders. Inhale and blow. Left side, take a deep breath and blow. Now we're gonna do both legs, double tabletop. So bend your knees to 90 degrees and you're gonna slowly go down to target the lower abdominal and blow. The slower the better, and blow. Take a deep breath, bend. Inhale through your nose and down, blow. Belly button in, feel your core engage. Inhale through your nose and blow. We'll do this 10 times. 8 more. Take a deep breath and blow. Feel the burn. The control is important. And when I'm lowering it, I'm not touching the mat to really engage your core muscles and blow. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and blow. Inhale and slowly blow while you're lowering it down gently. Inhale through your nose, belly button in and down, blow. 3 more to go. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in, engage your core, and blow. Last one. Take a deep breath, and then you're gonna hold it in this position, and then you're gonna slowly straighten your knee up and reach. 1, 2, 3, with your heels together, toes apart. 4, 5, feel the burn. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down, back to double tabletop. And now we're gonna keep your knees straight again, and then we're gonna do just bend and kick. 1, 2, straighten as high as you can, up to 45-degree angles through your hips. 4, inhale and blow. 5, 6, so bend and straighten. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Feel the burn and down, slowly and up. 1, lower abdominal. 2, feel the burn. 3, 4, slowly go down. 5, feel the burn on this area. 6, 7, 8. You can put your hands to the side to protect your spine. 9, last one, and 10. And we're gonna single knee stretch. Bend your knee to your chest, lift your leg up and reach, and lift your shoulders to target your abdominal. Hold your ankle, take a deep breath and switch it out. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in, engage your core and blow. We'll do this 30 times. I know it's a lot, but that's the best way to target those muscles. Take a deep breath and blow. Belly button in and blow. 30 together, so that's 60 in each total. Back and forth. Inhale and keep your shoulders up to engage your abdominal muscles more. Okay. 12, 13. We're halfway to go. 15. Take a deep breath. Belly button in and engage your core. 20. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and blow. And now we're gonna do alternating single leg stretch, scissoring. So you're gonna reach for your left leg, lift your right leg up off the mat, and you switch quickly. 1. Keep your knee straight if you can. If it's buckled, that's fine. 2. And then you're gonna slowly switch to the right, keeping your foot off the mat without pushing it down. But if this is too difficult, you can always lower your foot down to support your spine. Take a deep breath and switch. Stretch. 1, 2, and switch. Belly button in. Engage your core muscles. Inhale through your nose and blow. Inhale and blow. Belly button in. And now, without holding on, you're just gonna use your core. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alternate. Feel your lower abdominal working. If your knee is bent, that's fine. But if you can keep it straight using your abdominal muscles, and blow. 3 more. 3, 2, last one, and blow. And hug your knees. And now we're gonna do leg lifts, double leg. You're gonna slowly lift your legs up and overhead. Take a deep breath. This is jackknife. Too hard to jackknife. Then you can always just try to stop somewhere in the middle, and then use your arms. Make sure your neck is not hurting, and then slowly go down and blow. Inhale up as high as you can and down, blow. Belly button in. Take a deep breath. We'll do it 10 times. As high as you can and blow. 4. Jackknife. Control so you won't hurt your spine. 5, 6, 7. Belly button in. 8, 9, last one, and 10. Up and slowly go down, 1 vertebrae at a time, posteriorly towards your low back area, and blow. So now we're just gonna do a lift. 1, and then all the way down, and lift 2, all the way down without touching the mat as you go down. 3, belly button in, feel the burn. 4, down slowly. Inhale through your nose and up. 5, and up. 6, and up. 7, belly button in. 8, 9, last one, and 10. And let's stretch your legs now. Butterfly stretch. That was a lovely workout. I'm hoping you enjoyed this fat burning lower abdominal core workout. Please like and subscribe my channel. Ring the notification bell for future updates just like this one. I upload videos every Wednesdays for Pilates and physical therapy, treatment plans Fridays for advanced Pilates and some yoga, and Sundays for beginners. I'm hoping you will come back and check me out, and I have some social media to follow: my Instagram, Facebook, and Reddit. Until next time, have a great and healthier you. Bye!